Good evening, welcome to Paddington's Nursery. Bonsoir à tous, bienvenue à la nurserie de Paddington. Aujourd'hui c'est vendredi et le vendredi c'est Casual Fun Friday. Ce thème a été organisé par Kitty et Toti de Little Wattle Nursery. Ils vivent en Australie. So today it's Friday and we are going to do Casual Fun Friday hosted by Kitty and Toti at Little Wattle Nursery, and they are living in Australia. And at the moment, they are not making many videos. I think they are on holiday. So Kitty and Toti, if you are on holiday, enjoy your holidays. Have fun. Donc Kitty et Toti en ce moment, elles font pas beaucoup de vidéos, mais je pense qu'elles doivent être en vacances. Donc si elles sont en vacances, je leur souhaite de très très bonnes vacances, de passer des super moments et de revenir bien en forme après les vacances. Donc bonnes vacances pour Kitty et Toti et leur famille. So happy holidays for Kitty and Toti and their family. I hope they are enjoying their holidays. So today I'm with my little sparrow. Donc aujourd'hui je suis avec ma petite sparrow. So Sparrow is a Ping Lao kit from Paradise Gallery. Donc ma petite sparrow c'est un kit de Ping Lao que j'ai eu à Paradise Galleries. Donc c'est le kit Forever Yours Blessing. Donc le kit, ouais, c'est Forever Yours Blessing, c'est le nom du kit. Et elle a été faite, le kit a été créé par la sculptrice Ping Lao. So, this is my little Ping Lao kit. My little sparrow, she is very pretty. She is a little Asian baby. So we are going to change her today for Casual Fun Friday. Donc aujourd'hui, on va la changer pour Casual Fun Friday. Et donc on va mettre une tenue mais vraiment très très simple. Pour un tout petit bébé, on a le petit chapeau blanc. On a les petites bottines que j'ai achetées, une autre paire de bottines. Je les collectionne parce que des fois je les perds, je ne les retrouve plus. Je pense que ça doit être des petits lapins. I think it's little bunnies. And we never have enough booties. And this can go also for new clothes because they are new. I still got the tag on so it's for new clothes from J Dolls UK. So we have some new little booties here today for J's tag. And we are going to put her in this it's a little tunique, mint green. And not too long, so we will be able, I think, to see a little cloth nappy because I'm going to give her the cloth nappy look. And I don't know if it's still the same Casual Fun Friday, if it's still with food. I don't know if it's still running, but I've got a little bib for her with little apples on the bib for the food, if it's still food. Donc je vais lui mettre cette petite, c'est une petite tunique qui se met normalement avec un leggings, mais je ne vais pas lui mettre de leggings, je vais lui mettre une couche en tissu blanche, et pour qu'on puisse voir la petite couche, justement, je la mets en petite tunique avec les petites bottines, et je vais lui mettre ce petit bandeau, ce petit bavoir avec les pommes. Donc on va l'habiller, donc c'est une tenue vraiment très très simple pour un tout petit bébé. Et ici, on a la couche en tissu avec les épingles à nourrice. Voilà. Donc, on va lui faire son petit look pour aujourd'hui. Voilà. So, we are going to give her her little newborn look for today. We are going to change this little Miss Sparrow. Hello, little Sparrow. You are beautiful, little girl, aren't you? Elle est très, très jolie. Franchement, le sculpte, il est magnifique. The only thing I can say about this little girl, I think she needs a bigger body. Her body is a little bit too short. I never changed her because it's very good quality and everything, but her body could be, you know, 1 or 2 centimeters a bit longer, it would be perfect. Because as her body is very short, it's quite difficult to find clothes that fit her really. Because she is an 18-inch dolly, but if she had a longer body, she could fit newborn much more easily. Because the problem is with preemie size on her, it doesn't look right because she's got quite large hips here, so it doesn't look really right. She really needs a longer body, but you know, I never thought about, you know, changing her body. She's a Paradise Galleries doll. I don't know how they are made exactly, and the ties and everything. I'm a bit nervous by the idea of changing her body, but for me, when I look at her, she does need a longer body, really. I don't know if I can catch the ties. I can feel them here. Je sens les cerclages, mais ils sont serrés comme tout, serrés. They are very tight. I'm afraid to touch them because they are so tight. And I can't even turn her head. Je peux même pas tourner. C'est un super kit, mais pourquoi est-ce qu'ils font ils serrent les câbles à ce point? Je comprends pas. I don't understand why they put those cable ties so tight. You know, I would love to be able to move her little head, to turn her head, but I can't. The cable tie is really tight. I can feel it here, yeah. Because the body, you know, it's difficult to move her arms or her legs. C'est pas un body qui est facile à manier, ça tombe pas bien. Elle mériterait, cette petite puce, d'avoir un body un peu plus grand et qui bouge mieux. You are stiff, my poor little girl. Hein? T'es toute raide, tu peux même pas tourner ta tête. She can't even turn her head, my goodness. That's not right. You want to turn your head, don't you? Donc un jour, il faudrait peut-être que je me décide, que je lui trouve un nouveau body, que j'essaie de mettre un body un peu plus long. Parce qu'il est vraiment court. Et pour l'habiller, c'est pas facile. Yes, her body, as you can see, is very short, and it makes it difficult to dress her because it should be a bit longer, actually, for the size of her limbs and her head. Pour la taille de ses bras, de ses jambes, le body mériterait quand même d'être un petit peu plus long. If I could find a 20-inch body, that would be nice. 18 or 20-inch, but just to be a little bit longer. And she could move her head, but as she's a Paradise Galleries, she was quite expensive, because when you buy Paradise Galleries doll, for me who is living in France, when you order them from overseas, it costs twice the price of the doll. En fait, quand on les commande, quand on habite en France et qu'on achète des poupées à Paradise Gallery aux États-Unis, ben en fin de compte, vous payez le double du prix de la poupée. Hein. La poupée elle vaut 70 €, ben vous payez le double. À cause du transport, des taxes, etc. So I think it's really ridiculous because, you know, paying twice the price of a doll because of the postage and everything. So for me, as she was quite expensive, I just can't, you know, I'm afraid to do it, to put on another body. But for me, when I look at her, for sure the body is not the right size. But anyway, we are going to dress you up, little girl. Mais en tout cas, c'est pas grave. On va t'habiller comme on peut, hein, la petite puce. Même si t'es pas dans les bonnes mensurations. We are going to try and dress you even if your measures are not right. Not easy to deal with. C'est vrai que c'est pas facile d'habiller. Elle est pas facile à habiller. She's not easy to dress, this little one. Because preemie is not right for the... She's quite large. And it fits for the leg, but not for the body and the hips. And newborn is a little bit big. Donc voilà, la taille prémie, ça lui va bien en longueur, mais en largeur, c'est un peu juste. Et la taille nouveau-né, bah, c'est un petit peu trop grand. Ça lui va bien à la largeur, mais à la longueur, ça fait vraiment trop grand. Donc, elle n'est pas facile à habiller. Yeah, she's not easy to dress with this size of body. I do struggle with PGs with her because of her size. So one little pin is in. Put the second one. Ouais. Je me rappelle ces vieux moments où on mettait pas les couches jetables, où on mettait les couches en tissu et qu'on les lavait. I'm remembering these moments where we were putting cloth, nappies and washing them. Oh, that looks nice, that looks sweet. So, we are going to put your little booties on. Take off the top. So this is for J Dolls UK, new clothes. Going to put these booties on. She's going to have really the newborn look today. How can I take this off? Where does it come from, this? They're so annoying this time. Ah, I've got it. Oh, ces trucs en plastique, qu'est-ce que c'est énervant. It's annoying, these tags. So we have little, I think it's little, I don't know if it's a mouse or a bunny. I think it's a bunny. Je pense que c'est des petits lapins, des petits chaussons. Come on, hop. Voilà, on a la couche, les petits chaussons. On va mettre la petite tunique. We are going to put this little... It's buttons, it's not poppers. C'est comme une petite tunique. Bon, les manches vont être longues, mais c'est pas grave. The arms will be long, but it doesn't matter for the look I'm going to give her. Pour le look que je vais lui donner, même si les manches sont un peu longues, c'est pas grave. Come on, give me your little hand. Voilà, tu me donnes ta petite main. She's got an open hand here. Yeah. Let's have a look. Voilà. And that colours is nice on her. Mint green. Give me your hand. Oh, you've got spaded hands. It's difficult. Hey, come on. Voilà. Avec les petites mains ouvertes, hein, c'est pas facile. Hop. A good thing you're not a silicone baby. Hein? Heureusement qu'elle n'est pas en silicone, parce qu'avec des mains comme ça, il y a intérêt, si c'était du silicone, à faire attention. Hein? So, this is a little tunique. Donc c'est sa petite tunique. On va boutonner. Where's the second hole? Here, right, here it is. Voilà le deuxième trou. So I hope you all had a lovely day. If you are on holiday, that you are enjoying your holiday. J'espère que vous profitez bien de vos vacances si vous êtes en vacances. Ici, en banlieue parisienne, eh ben, il a plu toute la nuit, il a plu toute la journée. But today it's been in the suburb of Paris, it's been raining all day long, all night. But I'm not complaining because that way we are not struggling with the heat. So it's a good thing. Il a plu toute la nuit, toute la journée, mais moi ça ne me dérange pas. Du moment qu'on n'est pas en train de crever de chaleur, pour moi c'est le plus important. Well, I thought we would see your nappy with this, but no. Put it up a little bit. And yes, we will put your little hat on. On va mettre son petit bonnet. Let's put your little bonnet on. Oh, there you are. And we will put this little bib on because she's going to have a bottle very soon. Donc on va lui mettre son petit bavoir parce que bientôt elle va prendre son biberon. So here she is with a little apple bib and little mint dress and cloth nappy. Well, you know, I don't even need to put any leggings on her. See how she is short? This little tunic is 0 to 3 months. Cette petite tunique, c'est du 0 à 3 mois. Bon, j'aurais pensé qu'on pouvait voir la petite couche, mais non. And I can't put her on tummy because I can't turn her head. Let's see how you look like on your tummy. Let's arrange this. And look at her with a little nappy. But you can't turn your head, little one. Oh. So she's got a little nappy like that. She's so sweet. Elle est trop mignonne avec sa petite couche. Les petits bottines. I'll put them down a little bit. Je vais les descendre un petit peu. Ouais, comme ça on voit un petit peu mieux ses petites jambes. So we can see her little legs. Oh, you look cute like that. Elle est toute mignonne. Voilà. So this is my contribution for Casual Fun Friday. Donc aujourd'hui, voilà, c'était ma contribution pour Casual Fun Friday qui a été organisé par Kitty and Totty à Little Wattle Nursery. Donc on fait ça tous les vendredis. So every Friday we do Casual Fun Friday. Yes, so today is Little Sparrow all dressed up for Casual Fun Friday. Do you want your dummy? Est-ce que tu veux ta tétine? Hop. Yes, she has a magnet. I couldn't remember she had a magnet on. She has. So here is Little Sparrow for Casual Fun Friday. Hello everybody. We wish you all a lovely evening and a very nice weekend. I will be back probably for Silicone Saturday tomorrow. And for the moment, you know, I wish you all a very good evening. Donc je serai de retour demain pour les silicones samedi. Et puis PG Saturday. Le samedi en pyjama aussi. Enfin, moi je suis... Question pyjama, bon, j'en ai pas mal des pyjamas. About PJs, I have a lot of PJs because I love putting my dolls in PJs. I'm a bit terrible for that. I like collecting nice PJs. J'aime bien collectionner les petits pyjamas, les petits baby grow. Donc, on se retrouvera demain pour les silicones. des bébés silicone, et puis le samedi en pyjama. Ouais. So see you tomorrow for PG Saturday and Silicone Saturday. Have a lovely evening. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye.